Oh, she loves Jollibee!
Guys, if you want to watch our Jollibee, go for it. It's on our channel.
Good morning, guys. We just woke up. We're having our coffee. Do you guys like my mug?
Do you guys like mine? Plain,
Dollarama, basic white bitch.
Guys, so this is how I wake up in the morning. If you wanna achieve my look, I can give you some great tips. I'm disgusting.
Guys, we just woke up. Your hair is so cute. Oh, Fab, you're so cute.
Don't touch me. Babe.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video is gonna be another Instagram reaction, but one of the most requested Instagram reactions we've ever seen in our comments.
We're like this. We don't even change and put ourselves together.
I know.
Knowing that thousands of people will
we
watch us.
We are filming this video right in front of you. We just woke up. We're wearing our robe. We're wearing our onesie. We're drinking our coffee. Literally no time to rest. When you're working on YouTube, there's no time to rest. Oh my god. So we just got up and we made coffee. We put it in the mug and we sat down in the filming studio, which is also our bedroom.
You make it sound so professional.
I know, you make it sound like
room.
Make it sound like real YouTuber. With that being said, you saw in the title, we are reacting to Ann Curtis Instagram.
Okay, I saw. Guys, seriously, I was trying to reply to your comments. All I could see just Ann Curtis.
Ann Curtis everywhere. Oh my god.
Not even hi Fabio.
Yeah, I know.
Like,
not
okay,
even like,
bitch,
not even like
do
we
it.
like your videos. We love you guys.
Who is this one?
No, she's actually very
I'm
famous.
kidding, I don't know.
I think she's from Australia. She's half Australian or something. So first of all, this is my Instagram.
There we go. Let's admire Yani. Look at his profile picture. How cute it is.
And look at this photo that I took.
No, I took it.
No,
first of all, no. How can you take a picture?
I
when
took a
you
selfie.
Yani, you didn't even photo credit me. Shame on you.
I will photo credit you. I will change
you
it.
will?
I will.
You will? Last night I called
Anyway, follow me, guys.
Fabio Caio Photography. I'm gonna shame on.
So we're gonna be reacting to Ann Curtis Instagram, like I said. So let's go search for her.
Great.
And oh, see, she's the first one who came up.
She's there.
She's that popular. Let me know if my robe will just slowly open up like this. We don't want that. We don't want a nip slip. You guys, we were gonna guess this, but you guys told us already how many followers she has. So she has 10 million followers.
No, she doesn't.
That's what everyone says.
Oh.
It's probably 11 now. By the time we reacted to it, we rated her Instagram so late. It's probably 11 already.
Yes. It is 10 million for real.
It is 10
Oh
million.
my goodness.
Did it
feel Aussie, so Filipino Aussie. Yeah.
Australian?
Yeah. Actress, host, pursuer of dreams.
I know her. We've been friends. Ever since when I was in the Philippines, I've been watching her already. She was already a star.
Wow.
And I think now she's the co-host of It's Showtime, maybe? I know her, but I've never seen her Instagram before. Let's make that clear. So I had to change because it's so hot drinking coffee during breakfast. Anyway, so how do you have this?
I know, I still don't understand this thing.
What?
You know, guys, I only made one story in my entire life, and it was just because a friend of mine took my phone. The first pictures.
First pictures looks like she dressed up for Halloween. Oh, she is that what's her name?
The one from
Harley Quinn.
Then we see a lion.
She has a jaguar.
No, she doesn't.
No, we have a jaguar in the Philippines.
Really?
Yeah. No, she went to Lion and Safari Park.
That would scare me.
See, she went to South Africa, Johannesburg.
Oh, Johannesburg. Oh,
Johannesburg.
I love that city.
You've been?
I've never been, but a friend of mine.
I love that city. Have you been? No.
No, but my uncle lived close by, so I know a lot about it. It doesn't matter if you don't know the title.
Okay, why are you bitching? You just woke up. You woke up the wrong side. She loves reading books.
Look at the passport case.
That book?
It's beautiful.
Citizen of the world.
Wow.
Oh, we're celebrating our first anniversary and long overdue honeymoon. This photo though.
Damn. She looks kind of like a flamenco dancer, but with nude tone.
I love the nude tones. And I love the broken arms a little bit.
Yeah.
And you can see that she has abs. Damn.
She does.
I don't even have abs.
That we all know.
I love the wet hair look, and I love she's always been so skinny. I always find her so pretty actually, and I love her quirky personality when I see her on TV.
Oh, is she quirky? I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
No.
Guys.
This is all nude.
Guys, this picture.
Oh my god. Oh, there's Nadine. Oh no, that's not Nadine. What's her name? This is very high fashion. But my eyes are drawn straight to Anne Curtis right away.
Yeah, because of that poofy sleeve.
She has a dog.
Oh.
Is that her dog?
I miss my dogs. You know, guys, I have 4 dogs. 4. I had 5. 1 died.
She loves the color red, okay? So I always see her with red lipstick and everything.
Yep. Red is my favorite color too.
Oh, that's her makeup line, I think. Send
Okay.
us some cosmetics and we will review it for you. And we will be beauty bloggers. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Why BLK? Bacon, lettuce,
Why?
kale.
Why are you asking the name of brands?
I don't
That's
know.
the name
I was
of the
just
brand.
Curious.
Face on fleek.
Wow, her eyes are huge.
Look at the facial angle.
I like that mold that she has here.
I like the jawline. You could
Yeah.
cut some of your bashers.
Yeah, beautiful costumes.
I would love to borrow that dress.
It looks
that
like
costume.
something like a circus inspired.
Yeah, oh, this is the greatest. I
Yeah.
cannot sing today, guys. It's so early.
Today? Just today.
That
That's so
handsome man. Actually, they're
cool. I
all
love those jackets.
I love the jacket. It's like
Yeah.
you're right. It's like a
It's circus inspired.
circus, or it's like a band, a marching band, maybe. Oh, see, the greatest show. I told you, the greatest show, man. This is the
But
greatest.
I think we
show.
watched part of it. Oh, a video. Boomerang. Watch
We
it
are
being a
so ready.
boomerang.
Get ready for us tomorrow. Oh, this is the I think trailer.
Oh. Damn,
What
that's
sh-
sketchy.
What show is
That
that?
is
Comment down below. What
sketchy.
show is that? Oh wow! See what I told you about the red lipstick?
Yeah. This picture is kind of 80s.
She looks very vampy. I think that's
Oh
her
my God, the
sister.
sister.
She's
They're
so
so beautiful.
pretty.
They look alike a
My
lot.
God, she's so pretty.
I love that hair color too.
I know, me
So-
too. Cute. Oh, there's her ABS-CBN ball.
Oh.
Did we react to her? Did we see her?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, look at the black dress. Oh yeah, that's her boyfriend. Her boyfriend is also a YouTuber. I follow him, I think.
Wow.
Wow.
She looks
She-
like a
she looks-
superstar.
She looks angelic even though she's wearing black.
Oh
Aw,
my goodness.
we would love to be invited. Oh my god, look at the letter C. It's falling.
Oh,
It's falling,
it's falling in the
it's falling.
bushes.
Got a real tattoo.
Oh my goodness. I want some of you guys, if you're a real fan.
Tattoo
No,
our
I'm
faces
kidding.
on your body.
Don't do that.
Wow.
Damn.
I love that bodysuit. I
Damn.
want it.
Damn. Instead of this onesie, I want it.
Oh, so this is for the BLK Cosmetics promo photo shoot or something. Very nice face as always.
Yeah.
That's
Very
70s.
fresh.
Yeah,
Very
very fresh. Very light makeup, nude lips.
So she was a star already when you were in the Philippines
She-
10
she's-
years ago?
Yeah, she's always been a star.
So
even
she was
before
a
that.
kid? Wow.
Where is she? It looks like a winter. Oh, Winter Nasa Studios ABS-BN. Oh, she looks like the Black Swan.
Yeah, I was just gonna say ballerina.
She loves that angle, eh?
She does, she
likes
does.
to go on her left, and then she goes this. That's my angle too on the left.
Mine, I don't have an angle.
Wow.
Vacation. Sydney?
Australia.
Yeah.
Sydney, Australia.
Wow.
They're all wearing
everyone's
white. They're all wearing white.
B-
Oh, I think it's a BLK Cosmetics Travels again. Wait, did you go to Coachella? Is that Coachella?
It was Australia again.
Oh, Australia, sorry. There we go. There's the angle again.
Wow.
She's so skinny here.
I wanna try that angle. Maybe it works for me too.
Maybe it works for me too. It's this way.
See, I slept bad. I cannot turn my head.
You just woke up. It's fine.
Oh wow.
Wow. Bazaar.
In
Bazaar,
a
Vietnam.
blanket of kale.
Bazaar, Vietnam. I always wonder how Filipino actors get recognized across overseas for international magazines. That's awesome. That's
It's
proud.
beautiful.
Yeah.
It looks like she has such a great personality. Oh wow.
Wait, did she really get married? I'm so confused with her life.
Wow.
I don't understand the question.
So is she also a dancer? Is she a singer, dancer?
No, it's funny because when I used to watch It's Showtime, everybody makes fun of her singing because she's. You think I'm out of tune? She's completely out of tune. But she pursued, like she really loves singing, I think, and I think she got some vocal lessons. And the one video I saw when she was singing, it was actually good. Like she got better after years of like bad singing, and that was her signature.
Oh
she
my
just kept on bad singing, and then one day she got a concert.
Oh.
For singing bad.
Oh.
So that could be me too.
For singing bad.
Yes. That could be me too. So let me just keep on singing and keep on singing.
I'll support you, boo.
Thank you.
Keep singing for me. Sing me something.
I'm not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts.
Oh wow.
Thank you.
Wow. I think the same manager can
Thank
contact yanimakute.com.
I'm not gonna sing anymore because you need to pay.
Oh.
So this is her concert. Let's see the outfits. That reminds me of Beyonce.
Oh.
She must have sang a ballad here.
Beautiful.
This outfit reminds me of Jessie J. Oh, this outfit reminds me of a little big star.
Of Ben de la Creme.
No, a little big star, a little girl singing at a singing competition. Oh my god.
Jeans.
Denim.
Wow, that's a cool
That's actually
outfit.
nice. That's actually nice.
Is she laughing?
Oh,
That's
reminds me of
cool.
Jessie J again.
Yeah,
She probably
yeah.
dance hip hop here or something. Ariana Grande.
Totally. Wow, the Rolling KZ.
KZ. They're actually nice outfits. Oh wait,
Let's
let's see
watch.
the video. Is this a behind the scene?
Only 1 million views this one. Oh, she's nervous.
She's probably nervous because she's. Oh, look at her boyfriend. The boyfriend's a YouTuber.
Boyfriend is so cute.
So cute.
I wish you hold me like that.
Oh, she loves
Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Guys, if you wanna watch our Jollibee, go for it. It's on our channel.
Oh my god, high fashion.
Wow.
She can be really high fashion.
This is a beautiful picture.
That's a nice dress.
And she's not giving angle, she's giving Fabio just woke up in the morning.
The dress complements the hair. Messy. Okay, ponytail, you better whip that hair back and
Straight.
forth. So cute. She loves choker. Oh, there we go. Ariana.
Wow.
See, that's her
Cold.
concert. Another picture from Bazaar. Oh, this one's really nice. Look at the shadows on her face. Oh, this is a nice
Her
photo.
skin is so beautiful.
This is a nice photo. Look at the
Yeah.
poses. Things you pick up hosting Miss Q&A. Oh, Miss Q&A is the gay
Oh.
pageant. Let's see if this is a boomerang. That's a nice dress.
It is.
She has a
Oh.
quirky personality. I
Yeah,
wish you could
yeah.
see her. I wish you know her like I do. I'm kidding. We're best friends. Best friends. Did she go to Jordan? See, ancient city of Petra, Jordan. Does
Damn.
she just travel with a lipstick and then just show it everywhere she goes? And she
It looks
just
empty.
take-
What's in it?
It's
Oh no,
nothing.
it's the
It's just a
silver
case.
case. This guys was awesome. Thank you for recommending this. Actually, it was very entertaining.
So that concludes this video. Thank you guys for watching. It was so nice seeing her Instagram because I know her already and I don't know what's going on in her Instagram promos or anything. So she's always a fun person to be
Yeah.
with because we're best friends.
Great. Oh.
Yeah, we always like. In fact, we're gonna go for brunch today. I'm kidding.
And I didn't
wish.
know her, and I found that Instagram very entertaining. It's like diving into her
I
life
know.
because she posts a lot of things. Like it's great. All her
know.
travels, all her things.
I know.
Beautiful.
Cover up, you
Beautiful
stupid hoe.
views.
We are planning to raid our viewers' Instagram, so if you guys
Yes.
want to be raided, comment your Instagram down below in the comments or comment it in the poll on my channel, the community tab. So we'll see you there.
Yes, absolutely. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and comment down below and like this video, share it with your friends and family.
And follow us on Instagram.
Yes, and watch also our previous videos because we did a lot of vlogs, a lot of fun stuff. So if you want to know more about us, go ahead.
Yes. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Ciao.